Hi there folks. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to georeference an old military map of Libya in order that you can locate archaeological sites or ancient ruins which are located on those maps in real space. Okay, in order to do that we're going to have to go up to the raster menu at the top of the QGIS main browser window and go down to Georeferencer and then click on this Georeferencer. If you don't see that option available in the list, you may need to install it by going to the plugins menu and installing it through there. Okay, so let's load up the Georeferencer. The first thing to do is to go to File here and open up the raster file of the map or scan of the map which you have. So I'm just going to navigate to where I've got the map saved and then select it and click open, and then it asks you to choose your coordinate system that you're working with. And with these maps of Libya we're going to be working with WGS 1984 and that's an EPSG of 4326. So then we click OK, and then we'll see the map appearing. If we zoom in a little to the content of the map, we can see, for example, here that we have ancient ruins indicated on the map. What we're going to need in order to georeference this map is to look at its four corners. So we'll see in the corners that we've got references to the latitude and longitude of the corner of the map. So in order to add a point to let it know which part of the map has these coordinates, we're going to click this add point tool here and click on the corner of the map. And you'll see here, enter X and Y coordinates either as degrees, minutes, seconds, or as decimal degrees. And these are in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So I'm just going to read off what it says in this corner. So we have 20, 30, and then nothing for the seconds. And for the Y coordinate, we have 32, 30, and again, nothing. Okay, so that's created 1 point. So I'll just complete that for the other three corners of the map. For this one, 20, 15, nothing, and 32, 30, nothing. Okay, go down here to the bottom left. And this file, bottom right hand corner. Okay, good. So if I zoom out again, we'll see that we've got these 4 points on the four corners of our map with the coordinates that are indicated on the map. Now I'm going to click this cog up here labeled Transformation Settings. We want the first to be projective, resampling method nearest neighbor, that's fine. We'll change the CRS to WGS 1984, so the same as we began with. And we'll save the output as georeferenced. And click OK. And then in order to get that georeference map appearing in our reference window, you can see the 4 points appearing in this part of Libya, the coordinates that we've given. We simply click this play or process button labeled Start Georeferencing. And then if I minimize the georeferencing window and go to the main QGIS window and zoom in, hopefully our map will be appearing in the right place. If we right click on the georeferenced raster image and go to properties, we can alter here in global opacity. If I change that to about 50%, we'll be able to see through the map slightly to see if it's appearing in the right place. And we can see that within a certain level of accuracy, we can now locate the archaeological sites or features which are given on this map in QGIS. Okay, so I hope you find that useful. Thanks very much for listening.